guys, welcome back to our slime channel.
Today we are going to be making brownie batter slime.
Okay, so if you haven't noticed, one of our slime members is gone. She will be finding some sponsors for our slime business. She will be back for the next video though.
Slime you will need liquid PVA glue, white Crayola Model Magic, borax, hot water, cocoa powder, brown acrylic paint, a half a cup measuring cup, a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, a bowl to mix it in, something to mix with, and an airtight container to put it in.
First, pour a half a cup of glue into your bowl. Now, put your bowl of glue aside and get your box of borax.
In a Pyrex measuring cup, pour in 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of hot water. Now you are going to grab your bowl and bring it back to your working space. Now add in a little bit of your borax solution at a time. This will activate the slime, so be careful that you don't add too much at a time. Get some borax solution on your hands and knead your slime.
Now take your cocoa powder and your teaspoon measurings. Get just a little bit of cocoa powder and sprinkle it on the slime. Now knead it and mix it all the way in. This will make it smell like brownie batter.
Now add in some of your clay.
And now that your slime is butter, you're going to add some of your brown paint to make it look more like brownie batter.
Okay, now you have the finished product. You don't have to, but what we did is we added in little foam squares. We got some black and some brown. I don't know if you can really see them on camera, but we added those in, and this smells and feels amazing. And it looks. Thanks for watching our video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click the thumbs up button.
In the comments below, tell us which kind of slime you'd like to see us make next.
Bye.